Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Asus Vivobook 16 versus Asus Vivobook 15. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content and watch the video till the end.
Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about display. 16 provided 16 inch 16 ratio 10 aspect ratio FSD plus 1920 into 1200 display, and 15 provided 15.6 inch 16:9 aspect ratio FHD 1920 into 1080. So 16 is better. Now let's look at the processor. 16 provided up to AMD Ryzen 7 slash Intel Core i7 processor, and 15 provided up to AMD Ryzen 5 slash Intel Core i5 processor. So 16 is better. Now let's look at the graphics. 16 provided integrated or NVIDIA MX450 varies by model graphics, and 15 provided integrated or NVIDIA MX330 varies by model graphics. So 16 is better. Now let's look at the RAM. 16 provided up to 16 GB RAM, and it is also provided by 15, so both are equal. Now let's look at the storage. 16 provided up to 1 TB SSD storage, and it is also provided by 15, so both are equal. Now let's look at the battery life. 16 provided battery life up to 8 to 10 hours, varies by the users, and 15 provided 7 to 9 hours, varies by the users, so 16 is better. Now let's look at the weight. The weight of 16 is 1.88 kg, 4.14 lbs, and the weight of 15 is 1.70 kg, 3.75 lbs, so 15 is better. Now let's look at the build material. The build material of 16 is plastic with metallic finish, and it is also the build material of 15, so both are equal. Now let's look at the ports. In 16, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI headphone jack is available, and in 15 it is also available, so both are equal. Now let's look at the keyboard. In 16, full size with numpad backlit is available in keyboard, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price range. The price range of 16 is estimate $600 to $900, varies by configuration, and the estimate price of 15 is $500 to $800, varies by configuration, so 15 is better. And in the last, let's look at best for. The 16 is best for multitasking, light gaming and productivity, and 15 is best for budget-friendly computing everyday task. So depend upon the needs. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.